All. In this video, I'll be explaining how to mark the angles in free body diagram. So in this question, we have two rollers, identical rollers, and they are supported as shown in figure. We have an inclined plane. This plane is inclined to the horizontal at an angle 30 degree. And you have a wall also. This wall is at 90 degree to the inclined plane. So this angle is 90 degree. Okay, so I have drawn the free body diagram. I'll explain the angles. Now, if you take the lower roller, so in this roller, how many contact points are there? We have three contact points. At C you have a contact point, at B you have a contact point, and also at this point you have a contact with the other roller. Okay, so correspondingly we have the weight marked, RC which corresponds to this contact point, RB which corresponds to this contact point, and R which is the reaction from the other roller to this roller. Okay, so first let me take the reaction RB. So for marking angles, always you have to look at the question figure. So RB will be acting perpendicular to this plane. So in this direction you have RB. Okay, now you can see a small triangle forming over here. So in the question it is said that this angle is 30 degree, and we know that the reaction is perpendicular to the contact surface. So this angle will be 90 degree. So what will be this angle? This angle will be 60 degree, because the total sum of angle is equal to 180 degree in a triangle. So this angle will be 60 degree. That means the angle between RB and horizontal will be 60 degree. So here I have marked that RB and horizontal 60 degree. Okay. Now I take the next force, that is RC. Now in this figure, if I draw a horizontal line like this, we know that this angle is 30 degree. It is given in the question. And this angle is 90 degree. It is also given in the question. So what will be this angle? This is 90, this is 30. So we know that total will be 180. It is a straight line. So this total angle will be 180. So this angle will be 60 degree. Okay. Now the reaction RC will be acting perpendicular to this surface. That means it will be acting like this. Now consider this triangle, and in this triangle, this angle is 90 degree because reaction is perpendicular to the contact surface. This angle is 60. We have already seen that. So therefore, this angle, that is angle between RC and horizontal, will be 30 degrees. So I have marked this angle as 30 degree, angle between RC and horizontal. Okay. Now we'll look at the reaction R, the reaction between the rollers. Now, always the reaction between two rollers will be acting along the line joining the centers. So here you have the center of one roller, and here you have the center of the other roller. Let me join these two lines, these 2 points. So our reaction R will be acting along this line. Now, in the question, it is said that it is these two are identical rollers. That means their weight will be same, their size will be same, density will be same. So the radius will also be same. Okay. So that means this distance and this distance are the same. Okay. So what can you say about this line? I can say that this line is parallel to the inclined plane. So this plane and this line will have the same inclination. So we can say that the angle between this line and horizontal is same as that of the inclined plane, 30 degrees. Okay. So if the reaction between the rollers is acting along this line, the reaction will also have the same inclination. Reaction will also have an angle 30 degree with the horizontal. So that means angle between R and horizontal is 30 degree. In the second roller also you can mark the angle between R and horizontal as 30 degree. Okay. See, if you consider these two forces, this one and this one, these two are having the same magnitude but opposite direction. Okay. So you got this angle as 30 degree. Now, if you consider the upper roller, you have one more contact point, that is contact at A. So there you will have the reaction RA in this direction. This is RA. Now, if you consider this triangle, we know that this angle is already 30 degree. This angle is 90 degrees. So what will be this angle? It will be 60 degree. So angle between RA and horizontal is 60 degree. That is marked over here. Okay. Hope the angles are clear. Now you can just choose which roller is to be taken first, and then you can apply equations of static equilibrium and you can solve the equations to get the answer. Thank you.